Alright, we're now looking at Unit 2 and we're going on to 3D shapes for surface area and volume. Okay, 3 tabs in this document, page 1, page 2 and page 3. So on the first tab here we have some shapes. Of course this is after you've gone through the teaching process as outlined in the Unit 2 outline document. Okay, so when the students get to here, we've got 3D shapes there as nets. And they're asked to look at them and think about what shape that they are going to make. You can see a couple on the page there. Okay, so what they're going to do is they're going to click here and they're actually just going to type their answer in the box there. Now after they've done all of these, the teacher will show the students how to make these into cubes or into their 3D shapes. Okay, so the way you do it is to click on the shape, come up here to the Insert tab up the top, and on the Insert tab you've got 2D, 3D shape view. Click on that. Now down the bottom here you simply select the 3D shape and click it. Okay, now if it closes up too small like that, just grab it and drag it back out and you'll see the 3D shape. So show students how to make the 3D shapes and allow them to go down and check if their answers are correct. Okay, let's go on to page 2. Okay, page 2, of course there's a teaching exercise you're going to do here as outlined in the document. This is whiz up there. Okay, this is on page 2 here. Right, then after that you can easily use this page for students to insert an object and do a net. For example, if they put an object there, once again they're going to click on the Insert tab, come to the 2D, 3D shapes and choose their net. Okay, they can enlarge it. They might want to actually just make sure that it lines up with the grid, that it's the same size. I'm just minimizing it here a little bit, shrinking it down until it's the same size as one of the grids there. Okay, once they've done that, you can print that. Come and click on the ball up the top, print, and print sheet. And it's going to print out with that shape and the grid on the background as well, so students will be able to fold them up and actually make a 3D shape with it. Right, of course there's other exercises that go on as explained here. The next one is page 3. We'll just go into here. Okay, here's page 3. So of course this is after you've gone through and done your teaching part and taught the students about calculations for volume of 3D shapes. Okay, and you might want to, before you get onto this page, you might want to actually use FWC and just grab some of these shapes here and go through the explanation process of explaining how to do the calculation for the 3D shapes. You can see we've got the cube and the other common shapes here. The fourth one down the bottom here, the cylinder, you might not use that one, but if your students have done the surface area of the area of a circle, they'll be able to do that one there. Okay, so students will work on these by themselves. Now don't forget down the side here, we've got the calculator. There it is there. Okay, right there in the instruments. Click on that. Brings the calculator up. You can type in, do your calculations there. So students will do their calculations and then there we go. Just type in there and type their answer. Okay, so that concludes that document.